CachyOS Linux is a performance-focused GNU Linux distribution that builds upon the Arch Linux ecosystem while heavily optimizing nearly every layer of the system for speed, responsiveness, and modern hardware. To understand CachyOS properly, it helps to first understand its roots. Arch Linux is known for its simplicity, rolling release model, and do-it-yourself philosophy. CachyOS takes that foundation and adds aggressive optimizations, custom kernels, tuned system settings, and an easier installation experience, all while remaining fully compatible with Arch repositories and the Arch user repository. The goal of CachyOS is not just to be another Arch-based distribution, but to push Linux performance to its limits, especially on modern CPUs. At its core, CachyOS is designed for users who care deeply about system responsiveness. This includes gamers, developers, power users, and enthusiasts who want their system to feel fast in everyday use, not just in benchmarks. From the moment the system boots, CachyOS aims to minimize latency, reduce scheduling delays, and make the most of available CPU features. One of the most important aspects of CachyOS is its custom-compiled kernel. Unlike the generic Linux kernel shipped by most distributions, CachyOS provides kernels compiled with advanced CPU instruction sets and tuned schedulers. These kernels are often built using modern compilers like LLVM or Clang, and are optimized for specific microarchitectures, such as x86-64v3 or v4. This means that if your CPU supports newer instructions like AVX2 or VX512, CachyOS can take advantage of them to improve performance. The kernel choices in CachyOS are a major selling point. Users are not limited to just one kernel. Instead, they can choose from several variants depending on their needs. These include performance-oriented kernels with aggressive scheduler tuning, low-latency kernels designed to reduce input lag and improve interactivity, and even experimental kernels that include the latest upstream patches. CachyOS also integrates advanced CPU schedulers like the Bohr scheduler, which is designed to improve desktop responsiveness by prioritizing interactive tasks over background workloads. This makes the system feel smoother when multitasking, especially under heavy CPU load. Beyond the kernel, CachyOS applies optimizations throughout the userland. Many core system packages are compiled with performance flags that are not used in standard Arch Linux builds. These optimizations can result in faster execution times and better utilization of modern hardware. While the performance gains may not always be dramatic in every scenario, they add up across the system, contributing to a snappier overall experience. CachyOS also focuses heavily on memory management and I/O performance. Tweaks to virtual memory behavior, file system mount options, and disk schedulers help reduce latency and improve throughput, especially on SSDs and NVMe drives. The installation process of CachyOS is another area where it distinguishes itself. While Arch Linux traditionally requires a manual installation process that can be intimidating for newcomers, CachyOS provides a graphical installer that simplifies the process significantly. This installer allows users to choose their desktop environment, kernel variant, file system, and other system options through an intuitive interface. Despite this ease of use, CachyOS does not hide what it is doing behind the scenes. Advanced users still have full control and transparency, and the resulting system remains clean and minimal, without unnecessary bloat. CachyOS supports multiple desktop environments, including KDE Plasma, GNOME, XFCE, and others. KDE Plasma is particularly popular among CachyOS users because it aligns well with the distribution's focus on performance and customization. KDE Plasma, when properly tuned, can be both visually appealing and highly efficient. CachyOS often includes pre-configured settings that reduce background overhead and improve responsiveness without sacrificing features. GNOME is also supported, offering a more streamlined and opinionated desktop experience, while lighter environments like XFCE are available for users who want maximum efficiency on lower-end hardware. Gaming is one of the key use cases that CachyOS targets. Linux gaming has improved dramatically in recent years thanks to technologies like Proton, Vulkan, and better GPU drivers. CachyOS builds on these advancements by providing optimized kernels and system settings that reduce input lag and improve frame consistency. Many gamers report smoother gameplay and better minimum frame rates compared to more general-purpose distributions. CachyOS also makes it easy to install gaming-related software such as Steam, Lutris, and Mango HUD, while remaining compatible with tools and drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. Another important aspect of CachyOS is its rolling release model. Like Arch Linux, CachyOS continuously updates its packages rather than using fixed releases. This means users always have access to the latest software, drivers, and kernel versions. For developers and enthusiasts, this is a major advantage, as it allows them to work with up-to-date toolchains and libraries. However, rolling releases also require a certain level of responsibility. Users are expected to update their systems regularly and pay attention to announcements regarding major changes. CachyOS attempts to mitigate potential issues by testing updates and providing clear communication through its community channels. The package management system in CachyOS is inherited directly from Arch Linux. It uses Pacman as its primary package manager, which is known for its speed and simplicity. In addition to the official Arch repositories, CachyOS users have full access to the Arch User Repository, a vast collection of community-maintained packages. This gives users access to an enormous range of software, from mainstream applications to niche tools and experimental projects. CachyOS also maintains its own repository for custom packages, including its optimized kernels and performance-tuned builds. Stability is often a concern when discussing performance-focused systems, but CachyOS aims to strike a balance. While it pushes the envelope with optimizations, it does not sacrifice reliability unnecessarily. The distribution's maintainers carefully select patches and configurations that offer tangible benefits without introducing excessive risk. That said, CachyOS is still best suited for users who are comfortable troubleshooting issues and understanding how their system works. It is not intended to be a beginner-friendly distribution in the same way as something like Ubuntu or Linux Mint, but it is far more accessible than vanilla Arch Linux. CachyOS also emphasizes transparency and community involvement. The project is open source and its development happens in public. Users are encouraged to provide feedback, report bugs, and contribute to the project. This collaborative approach helps ensure that CachyOS continues to evolve in response to real-world use cases. The community around CachyOS tends to consist of enthusiasts who enjoy experimenting with performance tweaks and sharing their results. This creates an environment where users can learn from each other and push their systems further. Security is another area where CachyOS maintains a careful balance. Performance optimizations can sometimes conflict with security features, but CachyOS does not disable important protections without good reason. Standard Linux security mechanisms such as permissions, sandboxing, and kernel hardening features are still present. Users who need additional security can further customize their systems, just as they would on Arch Linux. Because CachyOS tracks upstream Arch closely, it benefits from timely security updates and patches. From a philosophical perspective, CachyOS represents a particular approach to Linux computing. It prioritizes efficiency, control, and modern hardware support over maximum compatibility with older systems. This is why some of its optimizations target newer CPUs and may not be suitable for very old machines. In this sense, CachyOS is forward-looking. It assumes that users want to get the most out of their hardware and are willing to trade some backward compatibility for better performance. In everyday use, CachyOS often feels noticeably more responsive than many mainstream distributions. Applications launch quickly, system animations feel smoother, and background tasks have less impact on interactive performance. These improvements may seem subtle at first, but over time they contribute to a more pleasant computing experience. For users who spend long hours at their computers, whether coding, gaming, or creating content, this responsiveness can make a real difference. CachyOS is also a good example of how flexible the Linux ecosystem is. It demonstrates that even within the Arch Linux world, there is room for specialization and experimentation. While Arch itself focuses on simplicity and user choice, CachyOS builds on that foundation to explore what is possible when performance becomes the primary goal. It does not replace Arch Linux, but rather offers an alternative for users who want a more opinionated, performance-driven setup without giving up the power and flexibility of Arch. Ultimately, CachyOS Linux is best described as a high-performance Arch-based distribution that caters to users who care about speed, responsiveness, and modern hardware optimization. It combines custom kernels, optimized packages, and thoughtful system tuning with the vast software ecosystem of Arch Linux. While it may not be the right choice for absolute beginners or users who prefer a conservative, fixed-release system, it excels in its niche. For those who are willing to learn, experiment, and fine-tune their systems, CachyOS offers a compelling and exciting Linux experience that showcases just how fast and efficient a modern Linux desktop can be.